So here we are going to see that how we can append any of the element. So we can easily append it, but we are going to see from the scratch like how append function actually works. So append implementation here we have. So we like do something which is like check memory before appending anything. So if memory is full, then we have to resize, then put the value, then increase the size. Why? Because we append the value, so we have to, of course we have to like increase the size. So this is our code. So we will understand step by step everything here. So what we are doing here, we are just trying to make a class here which is a, and this is a dynamic array, and then we have an init which is under method. So it is basically automatically called when we create an object. So capacity is one, means we can here only store one element, and size is 0. It means our current element is like we don't have any element inside our array. Okay, so yeah, capacity 1, but we don't have right now any element. Then we have a which is like kind of variable. Then we are trying to create like self dot capacity, means we are creating our array, and we are creating our array, and there we have only one element's capacity. Okay, so right now it is none, and then we have append. We are just trying to append the value which is like self, and b is the like value which b is the real value that we are going to append. It is like the value provided by the user. Then we have a self dot size. If it is like equals to the capacity, like self dot size, if it is like equal to the capacity, then we are going to resize. If you're like going to append something, then first we have to check that if it is like full, like number of the elements equal to the capacity, if they are like equal, then we have to resize it, and then we have to put it. Okay, then we have to put it inside a variable a, self dot a, and then self dot size, and then equals to which element, b element, which is given by the user. So self dot size, then when we are like appending element b, then our size is going to be increased. So that's why +1 here. So class a, which is like I'm creating a class. Dynamic a means dynamic array machine, which is def means create a function. Init is like dunder. Init means run automatically when the object is created. Then x, python automatically immediately runs. Then self is like very important. It tells that self means this machine. Then yeah, these kinds of things. Capacity is 1, create one box, capacity 1, this line 0 element, nothing is stored here, size 0, and then self dot in none self dot capacity means bracket self dot a, this machine's memory means empty here, nothing here right now, and self dot capacity means capacity is 1 here right now, and then we have none here, means we can now append one element. Right now its capacity is 1. So if you want to add more element, then you have to resize. Okay, before resizing you have to check that size equal capacity, then you can resize, and you can add the element to inside the a variable, like self dot a, self dot size equal b. Then you can also increase the size by one function name, the user and append. Then you can check it, ask the question self dot size equal. If it is like equal, then you can, what you can do here, we have a capacity 0, capacity is 1, size 0, false, resize, call resize function. Then you can put the element, this is super, take memory, go to the index, put b there. Then we have a we are appending the element, then we are increased by the size 1, add and store. Whole append story is what? Append 10. It basically first check that is memory full. No, memory is not full. So what we are going to do? We are going to put the value at index equals size. Then size is going to be increased. Then we have a resize. Resize means create bigger memory. Okay, how we can create memory? So size is 1, capacity is 1. That's great. And if you want to add more element like 20, so our like number of the element and its capacity is like same, they are like equal. So how we can append another element? For that we have to what resize. Okay, now we need resize, we need more big memory. So we need to be capacity to, we need to do this. So create memory. So we are going to first increase the elements size. Like capacity we have to increase like 2 elements. So 2 means our capacity is 2 and we can store 2 elements right now, but currently we have 1 element. So when we are going to store 2, then our size will become 2. Okay, so before that we have to also copy the old element. Okay, then throw away old memory. Then we have like forget it, append 20, then resize implement work like this. We have a capacity 2 and temporary memory here, which is non sub dot capacity. And for I in range sub dot size, which is like older's memory numbers we have. Then we are going to store it like sub dot a, we are assigning with the temporary. Okay, then we are going to store it like this. So resize double capacity we have done, create bigger memory, create old data, use new memory. So here we are using new memory, sub dot a temp. So memory indexes we have finished this. First size 0, capacity will happen 10 size, capacity 1. Lesson 4, let's start. Resize function. Resize create bigger memory, copy the old memory, copy because all the memory is full. So Append 20 capacity. Resize code is like this, is the side code. Resize it, create bigger memory, capacity, current function, multiply and store, multiply and store. Temporary just a variable name, could be banana or this. So it's a create one empty box, repeat capacity none. We have 2 none right now. We have like 2 spaces in the memory right now. For in range sub this line is many bigger. Repeat something counter variable. It's the name banana. Use to generate numbers. Python stop sub dot size temp dot. This means take old data, copy it, put it in new memory. So temp is a variable which is like showing the old, which is showing the new memories variables. Temp is a new memory is variable. Old memory sub dot a, new memory temp. Python does this. I got it. Sub dot a equal this is a variable. Use new memory, forget old memory. Old memory after this. Then we have a new memory. In the new memory we have a one empty box which is like we have created by multiplying 2. Create bigger memory, copy old data, use new memory, return to the append. How append and resize work together? Append is memory full, yes. Resize append continuously. Create function, temporary memory, non-empty box, repeat, counter, generate temp, new memory box, old memory box, use new memory. Homework we have old double capacity, old double capacity, copy, use new memory, append. This is how things work here. Then we have a lesson progress. This we have finished. After this we will see the insert.